My report looks at the environmental impacts plastic debris has on Australian oceans for two main issues: the entanglement and ingestions affecting marine wildlife and oceanic pollution. The ocean provides over half the oxygen people breathe, 1/6 of animal protein, and holds 97% of the world's water source. Therefore, the ocean is a vital part of the ecosystem, and its preservation is fundamental to the survival of many races, including humans. To ensure the survival of marine wildlife and to sustain the ocean, it is important to raise awareness and act to reduce plastics released into the environment. This topic was chosen because to me it is personally of high importance that the ocean is preserved, as I have a love and passion for the sea, and whales are among my favourite animals. Hearing and reading articles about the effects plastic is having on these creatures created a desire to help improve the conditions all marine wildlife live in and reduce the casualties that result from human impact. The methodology involved in my research for this topic mainly involves searching the Curtin Library database connected to Google Scholar for academic peer-reviewed journals and articles by using keywords associated with the inquiry. After many resources were read and identified as credible, they were stored in a Word document where I individually sorted through the information and listed each source's relevant information in bullet points. I found the Curtin Library extremely useful as finding related resources was quick and easy. I found it problematic to decide what to include in my findings as there was a lot of information available. Plastic debris is a pervasive issue across the oceans globally. Plastic is non-biodegradable, and due to its lightweight and durability, plastics have been known to travel thousands of kilometres in oceanic currents without ever completely breaking down. According to Andrews, plastics soak up toxins from external sources before entering the ocean, such as lead, cadmium, and mercury. When marine life consumes these toxins, it poses a threat to human health via the food chain. Ingestions and entanglements are the two most recognized threats plastic debris poses to marine wildlife. Animals often ingest plastics, mistaking them for food, which they cannot regurgitate once swallowed, causing digestive tract blockage, resulting in false feelings of fullness by reducing stomach capacity, which results in starvation and debilitation, leading to death. Entanglement occurs when animals are stuck and find it difficult to escape, often resulting in starvation, debilitation, laceration, infection, strangulation, amputation and maiming, or sometimes even suffocation and drowning. So, what is being done to reduce the negative effects plastic is having on the environment? Through my research, I have found several laws and regulations to execute effective management of the situation. For example, bans have been placed on plastic bags across the states, and there are laws against littering in Western Australia. The Threat Abatement Plan is another method for improving and reducing the effects of plastics, as it recognises oceanic pollution as a threat to marine life and provides a framework for improvement. The Australian curriculum relates to my topic by identifying in its strands that materials have physical properties that influences their use. For example, humans have adapted plastics to create a material with diversity to accommodate many uses. Akara also identifies that species rely on each other and their environment to survive, which relates to my topic because marine wildlife relies on their knowledge of their environment to decide what to eat. This basic knowledge is compromised when an animal eats plastic instead of what they believe to be food. My inquiry would best suit E Level 4, as this is the level that contains the most related strands.